Hi, welcome to the Ask Patrick series. Today's question is, how do I give my 100% if I know that whatever I'm preparing is not really interesting? Basically, I'm not really interested in reading. Some people are not really interested in mathematics, and not because I don't get the answers, so boring to keep on doing again and again. Look, understand that CAT preparation is not interesting. Let me make it very clearly. For most of them, some people maybe reading is not interesting. For some people, mathematics may not be interesting. For some people, logic may not be interesting. So different people have different problems with with the CAT paper. Okay, and it's very difficult to crack the CAT paper as such because imagine almost 4 months to more than a year you're actually doing the same thing that you're really not interested in, and it to some extent then becomes a boredom. So very frankly it is difficult. Okay, also the long periods where you feel there's no improvement coming in, you're doing a lot of preparation but nothing is going up, you're not benefiting it. That also adds to that whole frustration that goes on. I mean, despite all the hard effort, you feel that nothing works on. Okay, also, I mean, doing the same thing again could be really unnerving as such, and that's the reason most of the people do drop out for CAT. I mean, you may see 2 lakh people giving the exam. Very frankly, I don't see more than 50,000 people actually preparing through and through for the CAT exam. A lot of people give up the CAT. Understand this, people who normally succeed have gone through all this aspect. If you look at the successful athletes, do you think they really are gung-ho about running or something on that? No, they have struggled to prepare day in and day out running. Because I tried it. I remember when I was running for my school, for my college race, I wanted to win the prize, but the effort to go and run in the field was really difficult. I didn't have, I had to look at external motivation, I had to look at a lot of things to go and run. So I did win the prize, but the motivation was a little difficult to come up because not very interesting to run when you're tired and go about it. It may look good on videos, but actually following up, it becomes really difficult. You look at any success stories, it's always that way. People tried, got frustrated, not happening, almost given up, and then they had success. To give you an example, I give this example normally. I had a student, uh, non-engineer. He was finding maths not very easy and difficult. So he came 1 month before the CAT exam saying that I cannot compete with engineers with regards to mathematics. It will not happen. But he said, let me give it a try anyway. So he said, he's a guy who feels that he cannot compete. He cannot go about doing it because he feels his maths is lacking. But he still gives a try saying, let me go and try it out. Ended up scoring a 99.86 and getting into IIM Ahmedabad. I've seen so many examples, people who actually given up, forget trying to give up, people who actually gave up preparation, left their books, came back saying that, okay, let me just give a try. Let me follow it up till the examination and just see what happens. And it worked wonders. For example, I remember one person who had given up and almost decided to join a college without an entrance exam. A lot of these colleges which has no entrance examination, you can easily get into a college. Uh, so she almost took the admission, almost was ready to pay the fees when she talked to us, and we said, okay, just give it a try. I mean, I know it is difficult, you're not getting your marks, you're not able to understand what's happening, but just give it a try. She said, okay, let me give one more attempt. So she one attempt, she got 95 percentile, she got into MDI Gurgaon and did really well on that. I mean, she also is getting a PPI from the company she's working on right now. So which is good, great. So it's important not to give up when you're talking about preparation. Just keep trying, and that's what's most important. Try till the end. Okay, and maybe you will reach your destination, maybe you will not, but the fact that you try will always help you to reach some good place. Hope that helps. Thank you.